Welcome to Satyajit Bora E-Pathshala. Welcome to Satyajit Bora's E-Pathshala once again. I hope you are liking my videos, and I hope all of you are well, healthy and fit at staying at home. And so I hope without wasting much more time, I would like to proceed, go through the remaining portion of your exercise 2.1. So today I will try to conclude the whole exercise, and we will start a new topic from our next video classes. Now, before I hope all of you are liking my videos, getting understanding all my concepts, whatever I want to give you through these video lectures. So I hope everything is clear. Now today we will start with the remaining question 5. Question number 5. I have drawn the diagram already. I have shown you. This was the diagram, and I am going to read the question now. Find the perimeters of triangle ABE, the rectangle BCDE in this figure, whose perimeter is greater. Now, whose perimeter is greater, they are asking. That means you have to simply compare first. Then only you can say the whether which one is greater. Now, before comparing, you have to find out the perimeters of individual figures. That means one triangle is there, this one is the triangle, and one rectangle is also there. And the name of this figure is what? A, B, C, D and E. Okay, now what will you do? Tell me. Now first you have to find out the perimeter. Now in this particular questions there is nothing there is no written information given, mentioned in this particular the question, but something is given in the in terms of diagram. So that means you are getting a figure and you are trying to put take those informations from the figure. So you will write here from figure. Okay, now from figure what you are getting? First of all, you are getting length of all sides of triangle ABE, right? Length of all sides of triangle ABE are what? First 5 by 2 centimeter, next 3 by 5 centimeter, and what? This is and, okay, A and D, and this one 3 by 4 centimeter. Next, what you are what another thing is given? Length of, this is a rectangle, length of a rectangle. What is given? Rectangle, the name of the rectangle is what? A, not A, B, C, D, E, not A, okay? B, C, D, E. इसको हम denote करेंगे. I will denote this length, I will denote this length by L, such that I can use this letter or symbol whenever I will find out the perimeter. So this is how much? Length is this one, na? This one is the length. This one or this one is the length for this particular what? For this particular rectangle. So length will be how much? 3 by 4 centimeter. And what is given another thing? From the figure we get breadth of the rectangle BCDE, and that will be denoted by B, small letter B, and it will be how much? This one will be breadth, and this length is given already, 7 divided by 6 centimeter. Yes, so all the given things I have put it here, everything. Yes, now what you will do, you have to just, I will rub it such that I can go through the next part. You just copy these things from here. You just copy all these things, pause the video and copy all these things, such that and the remaining portion will be come from here, but I will start from here such that I can have some spaces over there. So I'm going to rub it. Okay, while rubbing, I want to request you, all of you, to subscribe my channel. If anyone has not yet subscribed my channel, such that you can get the notification while I will upload any further video for your benefits. Now also I would like to request you to like my videos such that I can get some encouragement from your side for making these videos. और वीडियो बनाने का सिलसिला ताकि मुझ में वो जज्बा रहे हमेशा के लिए, तो आप लोगों को लाइक करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, अदरवाइज़ वीडियोस बनाना में मुझे छोड़ना होगा. ओके, एनीवे, नाउ एक नंबर में फर्स्ट already we have written down the previous portion. After writing those part, you will start from here. Okay, the same question only. All these things are necessary, but here space is not so much, not that much space is available, so I am rubbing it. Then again I am starting from the next portion of this particular question. Now what you have to do, yes, okay, now first perimeter you have to find out. Perimeter of triangle A B E कैसे निकालोगे? इसको नाम दे दिया जाए, perimeter ना, P for perimeter, so P suppose 1, okay, P1. How will you find it? You have to put the equal sign here, but I have no space for writing that such, so I am putting it here. Okay, you have to put this whole part, you will put right here. Sorry for the disturbance, actually power supply is cut. Okay, पावर सप्लाई थोड़ा दिक्कत हो गया, पावर कट हो गया, तो कोई बात नहीं, फिर से हम रिमेनिंग पोर्शन से उसको वीडियो को रिज्यूम करने की कोशिश करते हैं. I hope it is clearly visible from in this video, right? Now you see, look at here, this portion, whatever I am going to write here, you can put it here. Okay, any doubt? You can place it here. Now what I will write here, 5/2, this one is the first side, plus next one will be, suppose this one, sum of all sides gives you all three sides, sum of all three sides gives you the what? Perimeter of the triangle. The triangle, there is a triangle, and I can say triangle to A B E. This one was 5/2, so I have written here. This one was 3/5, I have written here. This one was 3/4, so I have written here. Okay, I hope you got it. Next, after this you have to come here. Okay, thank God. Now convert these misfraction into what? Improper fraction. 5 3s are 15 plus 3 18 plus नीचे 4 2s are 8 plus 3 11 centimeter. Now take LCM of 2, 5, 4. Why? Because all the denominators I have taken into consideration for finding what? LCM. 2 1s are 2, 5 will come down, 2 2s are 4. Now what will be the LCM? 2 into 5 into 2. So how much? 20. Right? Now 2 tens are 20 into this 5, the numerator. Now plus. Now 5 fours are 20 into this 18 plus 4 5s are 20 into this 11, and it is what? Centimeter. Now how much from here you will get? You will get 50 plus 72 plus 55 divided by 20 centimeter. If we add them, you will get 50 plus 50, 100 plus 70, 170, 72, 77, 177 divided by 20 centimeter. But it is an improper fraction. So again you have to do what? You have to divide 177 by 20. 21 is 20, 22 is 40. Similarly, if you go on, 28 is 160 you will get. Again 17 will be remainder. So your answer will be how much? 8 17 by 20 centimeter. Now you copy this thing. After this we will do the remaining portion of this particular question. It is not yet completed. Okay, now I am going to rub it. I need this value for later, so I will put here for my reference. You need not to write here. Okay, I am putting it for my reference. Okay, now I am rubbing these things. Now you have to find out the perimeter of, for second part, for perimeter of what? B, C, D, E. And what is it? It is a rectangle. You can write here rectangle also. Okay, you can put this word here. Okay, perimeter of rectangle of the rectangle BCDE, but this will not remain P. Perimeter, P for perimeter, but it is perimeter 2. Okay, now how will you, what is the formula for this? Formula will be 2 into L plus B. Now we have put this L and B because already we have mentioned what is L, what is B, right? Now you have to put equal sign here, but I have no space for so I will put here this one. 2 into length is how much? Now you forget about this particular thing. Forget about this. You know, don't need now this portion. Now only this portion you need. What is this? What is this portion? This is nothing but a rectangle. Now length of the rectangle is how much? 2, 3 by 4 plus breadth is how much? 7 by 6. It is what? Centimeter, right? Now 2, it will be here itself. I have to convert this into mixed fraction. 4 to the 8 plus 3 11 by 4, right? Any doubt? No, I hope. 6 7 and 6 by 7 by 6. Okay, now 2 will be here, and now take LCM of 6 and 4 and 6. 4 and 6 LCM 2. How much? 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So LCM will be 2 into 2 into 3. So total what will be the product? 12. So now this 12 should be divided by 4. If you divide 12 by 4, you will get 3. 3 into that 11 plus 6. 6 2s are 12 into 7, right? centimeter will be here. Now 2 1s are 2, cancel it. 2 6s are 12. Now in the denominator there will be 6, and if you multiply them you will get here 33. Plus is there, so plus. Now 2 7s are 14, and here centimeter. So what will you get here? 30 plus 10, 40, 47, and divided by 6 centimeter. Again this is a improper fraction, so you will do what? Convert it into mixed fraction. See 47 को हमने 6 से डिवाइड किया, वहाँ पे देखो 6 7 जा 42, 5 will be remainder. Now the answer will be 7 5 by 6 centimeter. Only half of the question is over. Almost 90% of the question is over. Sorry. Now here you got the perimeter of, you have find the perimeter of triangle, you have find the perimeter of this rectangle. Now you are asked to compare them. Now you will tell me the previous P1 will be, P1 was what? P1 was 8 17 by 8 17 by what? 20. Now forget about this fractional part, and for here also you forget about this fractional part. Now this is a whole number and this is a whole number, you know, because this can be written as 8 plus 17 by 20. Yes or no? So what you will say, 8, ये 8 से बड़ा है ये नंबर, और ये किससे बड़ा है? 7 से बड़ा है. तो which one will be greater? 8 से बड़ा वाला greater और 7 से बड़ा वाला greater? Definitely the number which is along with including which includes 8 will be greater than the previous one. That means this was what? P1, and this was what? This is P2. So now you can write down here, since नीचे लिख सकते हो यहाँ पे, since P1 is greater than P2, therefore here asking now your whose perimeter is greater, you write down therefore the perimeter of triangle AB is greater. Understood? Very easy question, not much, but you see, if you systematically do this, you will easily, you can be able to easily solve this type of questions, right? Now now you copy this, I will rub this question. Okay, now we will move to the new question, that is question number 6, and from question number 7 and 8 I will do question number 7, and 8 will be your homework. So you do by yourself that question, because it will be almost a you will be able to solve this if you are getting these questions quite elaborately. If you are understanding these things, then definitely we can do that question. That will be a very easy question. Okay, now come to our question number 6. What is there? Question number 6 is telling that Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 3 by 5 centimeter wide. That means Salil wants to put a picture into a frame. But remember one thing, in this case our picture is greater and frame is smaller. Now the width of picture is how much? This one is picture na. The width of picture is 3 by 5, and the width of frame is width of frame means this one is width of frame is how much? 7, 3 by 10. So definitely if you look at these two numbers, how will you know that which one is greater? See, very easy and very easy, because both of them have 7 in as the whole number, so you need not to consider them. If you remove them, then बचेगा क्या? 3 by 5 और 3 by 10 बचेगा. देखो इसमें भी ये इतना आसान करके दिया गया है, दोनों में 3 3 है in the numerator, but according to our rule of comparison we know that if the numerators are same, if there is two fractions with same numerator, then the fraction with smaller denominator will be larger or greater than the other. That means ये बड़ा है, this one is greater. That means size of the photo is greater than that of the photo frame. So एक आइडिया हो चुका है हमें. तो हमें क्या करना होगा, फोटो उस फ्रेम में अगर लगाना है, फिट करना है, if we have to fit our photo in that frame, we have to trim or cut a portion of that particular photo, right? That means here you are asked how much should the photo be trimmed, कितना वो ट्रिम करना होगा, कितना काटना होगा, उसके बारे में पूछा. So how will you do? How much? That means it is a pure concept of what? Subtraction, right? काट करना है, एक पोर्शन को कट करके फेंक देना है, मतलब कि वो सब उसको हटा देना है बस. That means you have to remove that portion. That means you have to subtract. Here given, here you have to write given. Start. Given, what is given? Length of the, no, width of the, here wide na, so width of, you write down width of the picture. First you write down picture. How much? Width of the picture how much? 7 3 by 5, right? And centimeter also you have to write here. Now width of the frame, FRAME, okay, frame equals to how much? 7 3 by 10 centimeter. Any doubt? Now therefore the amount, AMOUNT, amount of trimmed, ट्रिम करने के लिए बोला ना, trimmed picture equals to, कैसे मिलेगा? बड़े से छोटे को माइनस करना पड़ेगा. कौन सा बड़ा है? ये वाला बड़ा है, तो that one is bigger. So 7 3 by 5 minus 7 3 by 10. I will use here the second concept, first concept. Why? First method. Why? Because everywhere the number is, whole number is 7. So इसको कैसे तोड़ेंगे? This can be written as 7 plus 3 by 5, right? Minus is there, minus. Let me write here minus. This can be plus 3 by 10. Can I write it here? और ये सेंटीमीटर लिखना है दोनों के लिए, तो I have to put this bracket. Do you have any doubt here? इसको हमने तोड़ा, मिला हमको ये वाला ब्रैकेट के अंदर. इसको सिर्फ इसको तोड़ा हमने, तो मिला हमको ये ब्रैकेट में. तो बीच में क्या है? माइनस है, तो माइनस डाल दिया इसमें. और दोनों को समझाने के लिए मुझे सेंटीमीटर चाहिए, तो मैंने एक और ब्रैकेट लगा दिया उसमें. नाउ you put it here. Now this one will be what? 5 3 by 5 minus minus, this one will be 7, minus into plus minus 7 7, minus into plus minus 3 by 10. Any doubt here? I hope you got it. 7 7 cancel out, only this one minus this one remaining. Now 5 and 10, what will be the LCM? LCM will be definitely 10. Very easy. Now 5 2s are 10, so 2 into what? 3. Minus is there, so minus will come here. Now 10 ones are 10 into that 3, what is there? Centimeter. Now नीचे क्या होगा? 10. How much it is? 6 minus how much? 3, so centimeter. And what will be our answer? 3 by 10 centimeter, right? 3 by 10 centimeter. So यही होगा हमारा amount of trimming portion. Okay, I hope you got it. Now you just copy this and I will rub it. Now come to question number 7. What is there in the question number 7? Read that question and try to think about it. What the question itself wants the answer from you, what answer they, how to solve and what answer they want. The question itself want. Now, okay. Now question number 7. Move to question number 7. Question number 8 is your homework. You will do. Now read to 8 3 by 5 part of an apple. Here given, you can write here direct given. Fraction of apple, right? Yes, apple 8 by what? Home. Read to equals to how much? 3 by 5. Now, and the remaining apple was eaten up by her brother Somu. Therefore, fraction of apple 8 by Somu कितना निकलेगा? देखो apple कितना था? Apple कितना था? 1 था. How much there was apple? Only 1 apple. That means 1 apple में से खाया कितना? 3 by 5. 3 by 5 किसका? इस apple का ही तो खाया ना. So 3 by 5 portion they have already ate. Who ate? Ritu ate. So सोमू को कितना मिलेगा? यहाँ से जो बचेगा मतलब क्या होगा? Remaining portion. Remaining means what? You have to subtract. So I am doing subtraction here. Okay. If you subtract here, how much you will get? 5 will be in the denominator. 5 ones are 5 minus 3. So what will be your answer? 2 by 5 will be your answer. Not answer. Somu ka part hoga 2 by 5. Now, who had the larger share? In the question, who had the larger share? In the question it is asking who had the larger share. Now tell me, this denominator is same in both of them, for both of them. That means we have a rule regarding comparison that if the denominators of two given fraction are same, then we have to look at our those numerators of those particular fractions. Then if you look at the numerators there, according to the rule, whose numerator will be greater, the fractional number will be give you the greater value. That means if 3 here 3 is greater than 2, that means Ritu has 8 more part of the most part of the apple was eaten by whom? Ritu. So whose share was? Therefore question में क्या लिखा? Whose, how much pardon? Who had the larger share? Therefore Ritu had the larger share, right? There is another part, and that is what? By how much? By how much means what? By how much means what? By how much means something you have to subtract. By how much? I have 5 rupees, my brother has 7 rupees. Then if someone asks that your brother has how much more money than me, then how will I find it? He has 7 rupees, I have only 5 rupees. So 7 minus 5, that means he has 2 more rupees than me. That means how I got it? I got it by subtracting, simply subtraction. So whose share was greater? Her share was, Ritu's share was greater. So I have to here, therefore the amount of more the amount of namat likhna, the extra amount of the extra extra amount लिखोगे या एक्स्ट्रा पार्ट लिखोगे? एक्स्ट्रा पार्ट लिखने से बेहतर होगा. एक्स्ट्रा पार्ट 8 by who? Ritu equals to how much? 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5 equals to how much? 5 ऊपर होगा 3 minus 2 नीचे कितना होगा? 1 by 5. Any doubt? So therefore यहाँ पे लिख देना, therefore Ritu had the larger share by 1 by 5 parts. I hope you got it. Now you solve the question number 8. It will be very easy for you. It is almost similar to this, but it will be far easier than this one. Now I hope you copy this whole, and we will conclude this chapter here. Not chapter, this exercise I will conclude it here. So from next class, in next class we will start with our new concepts, and the remaining portion of the whole chapter I will try to make you clear in next few videos. Now thank you for watching me. Like the video, share the video as much as possible, and if you have any doubt, please comment over there. Thank you very much.